Enter Damen Shipyards in Galatz, a renowned name in the maritime industry, situated along the majestic Danube River. Within these yards lie potential hazards, particularly related to the presence of hazardous gases. Shipbuilding involves various processes such as welding, cutting and painting, which can generate combustible gases such as hydrogen, acetylene and methane. Certain materials used in ship construction, such as paints, solvents and insulation materials, can emit toxic gases such as volatile organic compounds, VOCs, formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. Prolonged exposure to these gases can cause respiratory problems, neurological disorders and other serious health issues. Without proper safeguards, all these hazards can materialize at any time. To prevent such occurrences, Dräger offers custom-made solutions to address each of these potential hazards. Dräger's wireless gas detection solutions, such as the GS01 for methane and the Polytron 6100 for CO, provide unmatched convenience and reliability. Also, workers should be protected with personal gas detectors. With devices like the Dräger Flame 5000 at your disposal, you can stay one step ahead of potential hazards. Take the next step towards a safer workplace today. Explore Dräger's innovative solutions. For in the world of shipbuilding, safety isn't just a priority, it's the foundation upon which greatness is built.